Thank you so much for joining me as I show you how to decorate a cookie using a wet on wet technique to create a leopard pattern. I started off flooding the base part of the package white and then applying some diamond dust to give it some extra sparkle. My pink flood icing is actually a little bit thicker than flood and a little bit thinner than an outline. It's more of a hybrid icing that needs to be manipulated with a scribe in order to lay flat. I did this so that I would have puffier areas of icing once it had dried. After filling in my area with the pink hybrid icing, I immediately go over that area with red flood icing, creating little irregular random spots in that one area, followed by black outline icing where I'm just outlining two sides of those spots irregularly to look like a leopard print. I'm following the same application for each area of the bow, doing each one separately so that I have more time to work in each area and also so that the area has more definition. After outlining the little black spots, I'm putting little irregular dots of black icing intermittently in the pink area as well, just to continue with that leopard print. We're going to continue filling in each area of this bow using the same technique. Pink hybrid base, followed by red flood, followed by a black outline. I chose to use black outline icing rather than black flood icing because I wanted to maintain the shape of my outline that I was doing in black. You could also use a black flood, but just keep in mind that flood icing does spread out more along your designed area. Once I was done with this part of my bow, I went back to the center line of the ribbon and still just continuing with this same technique of pink hybrid icing, followed by red flood icing, followed by outlining everything with black. Next, to help each section of the bow really stand out and make this design have a completed look really, I used outline black icing and outlined every area of the bow. And the final design detail, once I was done with the outline of the bow, was to create the center knot of the bow using the exact same technique that we filled all this ribbon in with. Pink hybrid, followed by red flood, followed by black outline, and I did not wait for any of it to dry before doing this. I hope that you enjoyed this quick cookie decorating tutorial, and happy decorating!